Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add your GitHub profile link to Canva and Microsoft Word. This isn't just applicable to Canva and Microsoft, you can also do this to other platforms that you have. Adding your GitHub link to your resume or portfolio makes it easy for recruiters and employers to see your work and skills. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to github.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Now, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting your profile. Click on it. Copy the URL from the address bar. And this is your GitHub profile link. Now let's head on to Canva. Open Canva and load a document where you want to add your GitHub link. Now click on it and then click on the link icon that you can see here and paste the URL that we have copied earlier from GitHub. Click done and you may also adjust it. Once done, we may try to preview it. And when we click on it, it will redirect us to your profile on GitHub. Now let's try adding GitHub link on Microsoft Word. Now open your Microsoft Word and we already have here a sample resume. So add a text here. We can click on insert and then click link and then paste here the URL that we have copied from GitHub and click OK. And we can now see it there. And that's it. Now you know how to add your GitHub profile link to Canva and Microsoft Word. This is a simple but powerful way to make your projects easily accessible to potential employers or collaborators. You may also try this one to other social media platforms or other websites that you have. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.